Here. Everything spins perfectly fine, set up size-wise. Let me hold this here. I am 5'11", and you can see how tall this is. It's a very good comparison for you. It's a great size, easy to turn. Now, you can control the spin rate by using the Allen wrench that's here. This is a magnetic piece in the center here. All you need to do is just tighten it or loosen it if you want it to spin more or spin less. Just a magnetic piece down here. Now, this is an example of how some of the people and most of the people use our price wheels. They cut off the pick images of what they want as a price. For me, I use the old catalog here. Inside there's images, and I just cut them up. Use a double-sided tape and just tape them up and stick them on in whatever you want, as much as you want, and just stick it up there. Now, there's also quite a few of our customers that want us to customize their prints for them, which we have done a lot. And if you need customization, please contact us. We're here to help you customize all the images that you need.